What if I told you that some of the smallest foods in your kitchen could help repair your muscles faster, reduce soreness, and even boost your strength naturally? Most people think muscle recovery only comes from protein shakes or expensive supplements. But the truth is, real power is hidden in tiny seeds. Seeds may look small, but inside them is everything needed to grow a new plant. That's why they are packed with nutrients your muscles need to recover, rebuild, and grow stronger. They contain high-quality plant protein, healthy fats that reduce inflammation, essential minerals like magnesium and zinc, powerful antioxidants that protect muscle cells, and when you use the right seeds the right way, they can speed up muscle recovery, reduce soreness after workouts, improve strength and endurance. Watch till the end, because I'll also show you how to eat these seeds correctly so you don't just eat them, you actually build muscle faster. Number 1. Chia seeds are one of the most powerful natural foods you can use to support muscle recovery and overall performance. Even though they are very small, they are packed with essential nutrients that your muscles need after a workout. When you train, your muscle fibers go through stress and tiny breakdowns, and the body needs the right nutrients to repair those fibers and make them stronger. Chia seeds provide a good amount of plant-based protein, which plays a direct role in rebuilding muscle tissue and supporting growth over time. Along with protein, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their strong anti-inflammatory effects. After intense exercise, inflammation in the muscles can lead to soreness and slow recovery, but omega-3s help reduce that inflammation and allow your muscles to heal faster and more efficiently. Another important benefit of chia seeds is their ability to absorb water and form a gel-like texture. This helps keep your body hydrated for longer periods, and proper hydration is very important for muscle function, strength, and recovery. Dehydrated muscles can feel weak, tired, and more prone to cramps, so adding chia seeds to your routine can support better endurance and performance. They also contain magnesium, a key mineral that helps muscles relax, prevents cramping, and supports nerve function, all of which are important after a workout. In addition, chia seeds provide fiber that supports digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively, ensuring your muscles get what they need to repair. For best results, chia seeds should always be soaked in water or added to foods like smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal so they can expand properly and be easier to digest. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural foods you can add to your diet if your goal is faster muscle repair and stronger recovery after workouts. These small seeds are packed with high-quality nutrients that directly support muscle function and growth. One of the most important nutrients found in pumpkin seeds is magnesium, which plays a major role in muscle relaxation and recovery. After intense exercise, muscles often feel tight and fatigued, and magnesium helps reduce that tension, allowing muscles to recover more efficiently and preventing painful cramps. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of plant-based protein, which is essential for repairing the tiny muscle fibers that break down during training. When your body gets enough protein, it can rebuild these fibers stronger than before, leading to improved strength and performance over time. Another key nutrient in pumpkin seeds is zinc, which supports tissue repair and helps your body recover faster from physical stress. Zinc also plays a role in hormone balance, including testosterone levels, which are important for muscle growth and development. In addition to these nutrients, pumpkin seeds contain healthy fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body. Lower inflammation means less muscle soreness and quicker recovery after workouts. They also provide energy, making them a great option as a pre-workout or post-workout snack. Eating pumpkin seeds regularly can also improve sleep quality because they contain compounds that support relaxation, and better sleep is directly linked to faster muscle recovery. For best results, pumpkin seeds should be eaten raw or lightly roasted without added salt, as excess sodium can affect performance and hydration, and a daily portion of 1 to 2 tablespoons is enough to give your muscles the support they need without overloading your system. Number 3. Flax seeds are one of the most effective seeds you can include in your diet if you want to reduce muscle soreness and support faster recovery after workouts. These tiny seeds are packed with powerful nutrients that help your body heal and rebuild muscle tissue more efficiently. One of the biggest benefits of flax seeds is their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially a type called ALA. These healthy fats play an important role in reducing inflammation in the body, which is a major cause of muscle soreness after intense exercise. When inflammation is controlled, your muscles can recover faster and feel less stiff, allowing you to train again with better performance. Flax seeds are also rich in antioxidants known as lignans, which help protect muscle cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. After heavy workouts, your body produces harmful molecules that can slow down recovery, and these antioxidants help neutralize them and support muscle healing. In addition, flax seeds provide a moderate amount of plant-based protein, which contributes to muscle repair and rebuilding over time. They also contain important minerals like magnesium, which supports muscle relaxation and proper nerve function, helping prevent cramps and fatigue. Another important benefit of flax seeds is their fiber content, which supports digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively, ensuring your muscles get the fuel they need to recover. However, there is one key point many people miss. Whole flax seeds are very hard, and your body cannot fully digest them, which means you may not get all their nutrients if you eat them whole. That is why it is always recommended to consume ground flax seeds instead. Adding them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal is an easy way to include them in your daily routine, and a small amount like 1 tablespoon per day is enough to support muscle recovery without causing digestive discomfort. Number 4. Sunflower seeds are an excellent choice when it comes to protecting your muscles and supporting faster recovery after intense physical activity. Even though they are small, they are loaded with important nutrients that help your muscles stay strong and recover more efficiently over time. One of the key nutrients found in sunflower seeds is vitamin E, which acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body. After hard workouts, your muscles experience stress and produce harmful molecules known as free radicals. And vitamin E helps protect muscle cells from this damage, allowing them to heal faster and function better. Sunflower seeds also contain healthy fats that provide long-lasting energy, which is important for maintaining strength and endurance during workouts, as well as supporting recovery afterward. In addition to healthy fats, they offer a moderate amount of plant-based protein, which plays a direct role in repairing damaged muscle fibers and supporting growth. Another important nutrient in sunflower seeds is selenium, which works together with antioxidants to reduce inflammation and support overall muscle health. Lower inflammation means less soreness and quicker recovery between training sessions. These seeds also provide magnesium, which helps muscles relax, supports proper nerve function, and reduces the risk of cramps and fatigue. Because of their nutrient profile, sunflower seeds can be a great snack before or after exercise, giving your body the fuel it needs to perform and recover effectively. However, it is important to choose raw or unsalted versions, since high sodium intake can lead to dehydration and negatively affect muscle performance. Portion control is also important, as sunflower seeds are calorie-dense, and a small handful per day is enough to gain their benefits without overconsumption.